Hi everyone, my name is Fabian and I'm from P10X. And today in this video, I will talk about window tinting and how to maintain your window tint, especially when you first get it done. Before that, remember to like and subscribe and follow us for more contents like this. Now, tinting is an essential product for your car. I think most of the car in Malaysia have tinting installed onto the windows. So, before I talk into more details about the product warranty, I want to let you guys know the whole purpose of doing tinting for your car is for heat rejection, it's for privacy, and also for security purposes. So this is why every car in Malaysia, right, is supposed to install tinting. So, for warranty of your tinting, right, when you install tint on your car, there's a certain number of years of warranty that is covering your tinting for your car. So, what does this mean? What is the product warranty? So, basically, warranty comes in two different types. One is the product warranty, and one is the color durability, right? So, number one, product warranty covers for, let's say, dust, debris, let's say there's any peeling, there's any lifting during installation, or there's any other blurriness or product defects. And number two, for color durability as well. So certain tinting actually covers your color durability of the tinting. So after a few years, if the car tint has faded or maybe discolored, you are able to collect your warranty as well. Now, it is important to take note that warranty doesn't cover misuse or accidents. Or let's say, if your stone chip has hit your windscreen and your windscreen cracks, of course, that doesn't cover in warranty as well. Now, of course, warranty doesn't cover if, let's say, you don't follow JPJ compliance. If you go to Puspakom, don't cover for Smart Tag, don't cover for RFID as well. Next, let's talk about after installation care. So during the first period, especially the first week or two after installation of the tinting, you have to take note of a few things. So number one, remember not to wind down your window for at least 48 hours after the installation. And number two, remember the demister at the rear windscreen. Do not turn it on in the first week after installation. But if you notice anything different on your tint, especially if you notice any defects, any lifting, or any dust inside your tinting, remember, do not fix it yourself. Contact your installer immediately and let them fix it for you. And now, directly after installation, you may notice some water streaks, or we call water spots, within the tinting film itself. So, just ignore it for the time being, and it will actually slowly cure and dry over time. Give it a couple of days, so maybe 1 or 2 weeks, depending on the type of tinting used. And a good quality tint will take a little bit more time before it fully cures. And finally, car washes are actually allowed on the exterior surface of your car. But for the interior, you have to be a bit more careful. Try not to damage the windows during the drying process. So remember, by following these care instructions and adhering to the tinting warranty terms, your tinting will actually stay perfect for the years to come. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned if you want to find out more tips on this kind of car protection services as well.